In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Ariat promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Ariat promo codes. So you should be able to find this website, which is couponfollow.com, and I recommend you to use this one right here. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get a free shipping right here, I can choose this coupon code, and this is our discount code. And if I'm going to use this promo code on my next purchase, I should be able to get this free shipping on my purchase. Also, we can scroll down right here a little bit and go to couponchief.com, another website that I recommend you to use. And for example, right here, if I want to get this 10% percent of my first purchase, all I have to do is select get deal right here. And if I'm going to the Ariat website through this offer, I will get this discount right here. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.